And action.
It's a long way to the top if you wanna rock and roll. Yeah.
Sorry boy, you're no AC/DC. Next. Get out of here. Go. You're no good. Next.
G'day, this is Nick Faber and welcome to sunny Sydney, Australia. I'm the Aussie guy who basically traded his 12-hour job to spend more time with his family, and down and out Aussie guy who basically found a lot of different things before attracting success into my life by correctly applying internet marketing strategies. Now today we have something very special. I'm going to speak about AC/DC and the art of business longevity, which they've actually mastered. Now these are the masters of rock. And they're aging, they're a bit like the Rolling Stones, but they continue going and going and going. Their fan base continues to grow. We're going to find out why and how that information can actually assist you in your business. Now their brand hasn't changed. It's always been loud, hard rock. Now AC/DC aren't really known for their love songs, okay? But they're not ashamed to say, hey, that's not what we do, okay? There might be a couple there, but what they do are rock songs. They decided to rock and to rock loud, and they're the masters of that. Now a lot of different other groups have changed their formula throughout the years. AC/DC haven't, and they continue to prosper. They continue to build their fan base. Successful marketers know that attraction marketing or branding oneself is actually the most important thing that you can do online. Now companies will say, hey, here's our corporate website, advertise that. However, you want to be building a fan base. You want to attract people towards you who have like interests. Why is this important? Well, people join people, not people joining companies or people joining businesses or compensation plan. Now AC/DC, they knew that right from the start. They branded themselves. On their pictures, on their video clips, it's them. It's not some other thing, it's them. Music was the result, but AC/DC, the people themselves, were the product. Now when they have a concert, when they're touring around the world, people come to hear the songs, but also to see AC/DC, the people. Now, does that mean that everyone's going to love you? No. Attraction marketing, one negative to it is that some people won't love you, which means they're not going to join up with you, okay? That's probably a positive too, because you're going to save time. You don't want to deal with people who are going to waste your time and bring you down. So branding yourself will attract like-minded people.
Now, if you think that little piece of knowledge was powerful stuff, you've seen nothing yet. What you see at the moment is my webpage. So if you scroll down a little bit, I've got something special for you. Okay, remember that little piece of information is nothing. Why? Because I'm going to present to you free home business traffic report. So that's 40 pages of pure content. No fluff, just pure content. It will teach you where to advertise and market for nothing. So different little techniques that you can use each day to market for nothing. Now I also provide in that home business traffic report a daily method of operation, so you get to know what to do each and every single day, so you're not left wondering, I wonder what I'm going to do today. So go to my website at expertwealthcreator.com, scroll down, enter your name, your email, press I'm ready to create wealth, Nick, and I'm going to send you the home business traffic report for free. So do that today, and it's a wealth of knowledge just waiting to be tapped by you.